Make the ground shake.
Did you know that the ground we all sit, stand, and run on is actually moving? Even right now, it may not feel like it, but pieces of the earth are always bumping into each other. But what does that mean? The earth's crust is actually made out of big pieces that fit together, kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. They're called tectonic plates. They're moving, but we don't feel them because they're moving very slowly. Unlike manufactured puzzle pieces, the plates are made from large, thick pieces of rock with jagged rocky edges. Sometimes, as plates move past each other, they get stuck. They continue to build up pressure and eventually, BAM! They break past each other and release a tremendous amount of energy. These tectonic plates sit on the many different layers of the earth. Yes, layers. Like an onion or an ogre, our very own earth has many layers. The outside layer of the earth, the ground that we step on, is called the crust. Ultimately, whenever those plates hit, slide past each other, or shockingly split apart, it causes an earthquake. Earthquakes happen on some scale every day. Some big, some small. Most of the time we don't feel the quakes because they're too small to reach us. But sometimes they're so strong that they can be felt over thousands of kilometers away. The surface where the plates slip is called the fault or the fault plane. The place where the earthquake originates is called the hypercenter or the focus, and the place where it occurs on the Earth's surface is called the epicenter. Earthquakes can come in three main forms, depending on the plate movements that occur beneath the Earth's surface. Convergent boundary. Here, one plate is forced over another plate during movement, creating a thrust fault. Divergent boundary. Here, plates are forced apart each other, usually forming a rift zone. This kind is common in ocean floors where new floors are created. Transform fault. The plates here slip by each other. This also is called strike slip. Now here are some fun facts. Earthquakes are unpredictable and quite random. However, scientists use an instrument called a seismograph to detect and measure the intensity of an earthquake when it occurs. A tsunami is caused when an earthquake occurs underwater. And in some cases, earthquakes can also cause volcanic eruptions. Well, that's all the time we have today. Hope you've learned a little bit about earthquakes, and I'll see you all next time.